In this session, we are going to discuss about the terms research project and research project. Most of the time, we are confused among these three terms. That is, what is research, what is project, and how can we define the research project. So, let us start from the research. How can we define the research? In a common parlance, when we are talking about the research, its meaning is that it is search for the knowledge. Research stands for the search for the knowledge in a common parlance. But when we are defining the more general definition for the research, we are saying that it is a scientific investigation. It is a scientific investigation. Look here. It is saying that scientific investigation on a specific or particular topic. That is, we need to define a specific topic and what is the reason and what is the objective to do the research. We need to establish the facts. That is, we want to try to prove the truth and to deduce the new conclusion from this object, this result. Okay, that is, it is a scientific investigation. We are doing a scientific investigation on the specific topic. And what is our objective? Because we want to establish the facts and we want to generate the new conclusion based upon these facts. So this is called as research. The second thing is about the project. Most of the time we are confused about the research and project. What is research and project? Project, actually this is not the scientific investigation. It is a process of to achieve a particular result. That is, we know the result in advance. That is, we want to achieve this result after completing this project. So this is called as project. Suppose that if somebody is saying that we want to develop university accounting system, then it becomes a project. Okay, but if you are going for the study, that is to study something or to do something, to investigate something, that is, we are going for the investigation, then we are going to establish the facts, and based upon the facts we are generating the conclusion. But here conclusion is already given to you. That is, we need to achieve our goal. That is, our goal is what is given to us. We need to achieve that goal, and the process is called as project. But the third term, which is called as more broader term, which is called as research project. Most of the time in our proposal we are writing research project. Its meaning is that when we are writing the research proposal or research project, its meaning is that this project or this proposal is having two sections. One is about the investigation, that is, we need to go for the scientific investigation, and from this scientific investigation we will generate some conclusion and some facts, and based upon those outcomes, that is the investigation, after the investigation what will be the outcome, we will try to implement it on the project. That is, two sections are inside the research project. That is, first we will go for the investigation, next from the investigation we will generate the facts and we will deduce the conclusion, and what is our outcome from that investigation. Okay, based upon that one we will go for the project implementation. So here simply we can define that it is a scientific investigation. What is the objective of the investigation on the specific topic? We want to establish the facts. Based upon those facts, what we want to do? We want to produce the new conclusion. We want to deduce actually new conclusion. So this is called as research, this is called as project, and this is called as research project. So we should remember that when we are talking about the research project, its meaning is that this is having two sections, investigation and project. That is, first we need to go for the investigation, and what is the finding and outcomes? We need to implement those finding and outcomes with the help of the project. The next thing is that research, when we are talking about the research, it is actually broader sense. In comparison to the project, it is actually broader sense. That is, we are going our study to implement this study on the specific community or a specific area, we can say that. But when we are talking about the project, it is having some narrower sense comparison to the project. In this one, we are going to implement this project for the specific group of user, or for the specific user also, we can say that. And for the research, it may be for the complete community. So in this way we can differentiate research project and research project. It is a broader sense, this one is narrower sense, and inside the project always we are having the foundation of the time and budget. That is, your customer will give you the specific time and a specific budget. Based upon those time and budget, You need to work upon that.